He's like all exhausted after that last round.
What's the next one?
I like more.
What's the next food for Gus?
It's nothing. It's just a piece of mud. It's just a mud cake for an alligator.
A mud cake for an alligator?
Yes.
Oh, well, little boys shouldn't eat that, should they?
That's a mud cake for an alligator. That was an alligator.
Are you an alligator?
Yeah. And I poke her with my teeth.
You poke me with your teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, no! Don't poke me with your teeth!
Next dinner, I'm gonna eat my food. Next day, for next dinner, I'm gonna eat my food.